Factorise 5x squared plus 18x minus 8. Hence solve the equation 5x squared plus 18x minus 8 is equal to 5x minus 2 all squared. Okay, so to start the question off, first of all, this you should be able to factorise. This is an expression, not an equation. So the product will be 5 times minus 8, which is minus 40. The sum will be 18. You want two numbers. When you multiply them together, you get minus 40. And when you add the same two numbers, you get 18. So it's going to be minus 2 and 20. Just check that. Minus 2 times 20 gives me minus 40. And then minus 2 plus 20 will give you 18. And then you take the quadratic expression. You write down 5x squared minus 2x plus 20x minus 8. And then you factorise by grouping. So a common factor here of just x. And you're going to be left with 5x minus 2. You bring down the plus sign. Group these two terms together. It's a common factor of 4. And you're going to be left with 5x minus 2. Always when you do this process here and here, you will have a common factor. That now comes out. And you're left with x plus 4. Okay, right. So we now need to solve the equation. 5x squared plus 18x minus 8 is equal to 5x minus 2. Well, this bit here from the first part, because it does say hence, is 5x minus 2, x plus 4. So write down 5x minus 2, x plus 4 is equal to 5x minus 2 all squared. So if we write down 5x minus 2, x plus 4, and then we'll take this to this side and say minus 5x minus 2 all squared, and we'll put it equal to 0. What is the common factor here? Well, there's a common factor of 5x minus 2. So we'll take that out. So we take it out from here. We're just going to put in brackets the x minus 4 from here. And then we've got a minus sign. But we still got 5x minus 2, because this is 5x minus 2 times 5x minus 2. So we've still got 5x minus 2. Just check. That times that will give you that. And that times that will give you that squared. It's still equal to 0. Right, we can work with this and collect these terms together here. So we've got 5x minus 2, x plus 4. Removing the bracket, we get minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So we've got 5x minus 2. And then we've got x 4 plus 2, which is 6. And then minus 4x is equal to 0. We do have a common factor of 2 here, which we can take out. So we're going to have 5x minus 2. This will become 3 minus 2x is equal to 0. Right, we can now find the solutions of that. So either 5x minus 2 is equal to 0, which means that 5x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 over 5. Or 3 minus 2x is equal to 0, which means that 3 was equal to 2x. X is equal to 3 over 2. So we have two solutions. X is 2 over 5, or x is equal to 3 over 2. So this has been a video to show you how to factorise a quadratic expression and then use the factorisation to solve a harder quadratic equation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.